So we're talking about Linux today. We're the Dayton Dayton Linux Users Group, and we're talking about the free open source Linux software. We have a number of systems here that are demonstrating how Linux is used. This system over here is a Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi 5, actually the latest edition, that is running the Raspberry Pi OS. And over here, we have a 14-year-old laptop that's running Linux, the latest edition of Linux Mint, and getting all the updates. So this system is not capable of running Windows 11. It would have to be thrown out if we were still trying to use Microsoft securely. Same thing with this desktop system here, which we're running KDE Linux with the Neon desktop.
For a computer. So you can do office functions, you can do internet, you can also play lots of games.
And then finally over here we have a Steam Deck, which is a Linux-based gaming system that will run all of the Steam games, whether they're written for Windows or Linux.
Many things. You have the entire office suite.
And we're reminding everybody that in a few weeks we're going to be doing a Linux Installfest here on campus, so people can bring in their systems and we'll get Linux put on it for free. Thanks.